Hey, what's up, guys? It's Miles here. Today, I'm here to share about 5 places that helped me get on the path to financial freedom. If you want to be financially free, you've got to invest your money somewhere else. Here's a little secret. You don't want to save money because inflation eats away at them. Inflation has always been much higher than how much you saved. It has been proven that since the central bank, also known as the Federal Reserve, was created in 1913, both the value and use of a single USD dollar have declined. So again, saving your money isn't worth it at all. These 5 places help me increase my net worth. After watching this video, make sure that you try out the 5 places by investing in them. Don't be hesitant or afraid. It will not help your money grow. I have found that they work well for me, so I am sure you will too. The first thing to consider is growth stocks and dividends. I love them because they keep growing, so I can continue investing and letting them grow. Like compound interest, you'll get more money after every year. In the first year, you'll expect a small investment, and in the second and third years, you'll get more money. As with Coca-Cola, their dividend has been raised year after year for almost 50 years straight. In the same way as Apple, their stock price has grown continuously since 1980. There are other stocks that have grown consistently as well, such as Tesla, and you also want to think about stock dividends. You should know, however, that not all stocks pay dividends. Only certain stocks do. Take this into consideration. And you also want to think about stock dividends. You should know, however, that not all stocks pay dividends. Only certain stocks do. Take this into consideration. Another benefit of growth stocks is that sometimes they split their stock, but not all of the time. It is determined by how many shareholders a company has and how much its share price has grown. A recent example is Google or Alphabet Inc. stock split. Apple also split its stock during the beginning of the pandemic a couple of years ago. When a stock split occurs, you'll have more shares and possibly receive a higher investment return. The most effective way to get money to work for you is through growth stocks and dividends. I've invested in several growth stocks, and they've done quite well for me. It's where I can make money work for me while I sit around doing nothing. Also, it pays me dividends every 3 months. It pays quarterly for a total of 4 quarters a year. The downside of growth stocks is that their prices can fluctuate, and they are neither predictable nor steady. In 5 years, they can either go up or down. But you know, more risk means more reward, right? We have to be able to cope with fear, not always be afraid. We have to be aggressive. This is what I've been doing. Since I'm still only 20, I have room for more opportunities, so I had to be aggressive with my portfolio. The second reason I like real estate is because it tends to increase in value over time. Think about the value of your home 10 years ago. If you bought it with $500,000 and now it would be worth $1 million or more. The value of real estate is typically increasing because there are limited resources available in the world. As real estate is part of the limited amount of land in the world, its value increases. Due to the limited amount of land in the world, more people will want to own land or real estate. The result is a rise in real estate values. Investing in real estate is a good idea if you have a lot of money available in savings or investments. These funds can be used to buy a real estate property. Personally, I would rather own real estate than stocks since real estate appreciates easily. Additionally, you can rent out your real estate and earn passive income from it. Stocks also pay dividends, but rental property can generate a greater income than dividends. That will depend on the location. Some places generate more rental income, while others generate less. Additionally, you can list your property on Airbnb for vacation rentals. Demand for it is high as it is for VRBO. Investing in real estate is an opportunity. Someday I would like to buy a real estate property But for now, I save and invest in stocks. After that, I will invest in properties and rent them out. Here is where another passive income stream can be generated. I'm aiming to generate as many income streams as possible. As of now, I have income from a business, stocks, dividends, and a gig job. I want you to know that there isn't only one way to invest in real estate. There is another way, called real estate investment trust or REIT. It's almost the same concept as investing in stocks. My YouTube channel has a video about it. You can watch it to learn more. Dividends from REITs provide pretty high returns. The situation would be similar to if you owned a property and earned money from renting it out. It's a great idea if it's not possible for you to buy a property right now for $200,000. Instead, you can invest through a REIT. Third, I like index funds as well. They are good. Imagine them as a pool with other people swimming in it. Index funds combine many companies into a single fund. It usually focuses on a single sector, like technology or agriculture, all in one place. Like Apple, Microsoft, and Facebook belong to the same sector. This sector is one of many index funds, called SP 500. SP 500 is one of the largest index funds. In the past 50 years, or since 1970, the price has always increased. It hardly ever falls down. In case you didn't know, you can invest in index funds with Vanguard. Basically, it's a brokerage for index funds. Just saying, index funds typically have steady and reasonable returns. Index funds tend not to dip down that much. In the past 50 years, it's rare to see them go down, but they don't grow quickly like growth stocks. However, they do grow and make money work for you. There is another option available to those of you who want a less risky investment. The Roth IRA is a type of retirement account where you can invest. You can really benefit from it if you work like an employee and want to retire comfortably. You can invest through a Roth IRA. It will hold your money and then leave it until after you're 59 and a half. You can take it. Taking it early will result in penalty fees. Let's say you started investing in the Roth IRA at age 20 like me. By investing after you turn 59 and a half, you will not owe taxes because your contributions have already been deducted. It means that after 59 and a half you're taking all of your non-taxable contributions. Let's say you get a 12% return on your investment. It's a reasonable return. And if you started doing it at 20 until 59 and a half, you can retire as a millionaire. You can travel or whatever you want to do with the money comfortably. It's honestly perfect for people who seek less risk and want to make money grow while still working a job. Okay, guys, the last part of this video is cryptocurrencies. When the pandemic hit in 2020, cryptocurrencies became a hot topic as many people witnessed a boom in cryptocurrencies. I'm pretty sure you've seen some people becoming rich overnight from cryptocurrency, like a Dogecoin millionaire making a bank overnight. It's like amazing. Cryptocurrencies are a new generation of currency, and they are meant for people who adore digital assets. The latest technology is really cool. You know, in my opinion, investing in cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin and Ethereum, is a great idea. They have a lot of potential to rise in value. For the rest of other cryptocurrencies, they are like a junkyard. You know that most things at a yard sale have no value and will not increase in value. Crypto is still new to the world as we are transitioning from traditional physical assets to digital assets. A few years from now, we will see digital currency replace fiat currency. I believe that will soon happen. The one thing that still makes me resent crypto is that it's extremely volatile and difficult to correct its value. It can also affect inflation because of the rising value. I do know about crypto, but not 100% yet. I am sure, as most of you are still new to it. Go ahead and invest in crypto if you feel that it is your opportunity. After all, who can stop you? There is nobody stopping you. Only you can stop yourself. You have my complete support if you want to invest in cryptocurrency. Okay, so please let me appreciate your taking the time to watch this video. I really appreciate it. I must say that this means a lot to me. I hope I be able to keep you subscribed after what you have enjoyed from this video. Your support makes it possible for me to share more incredible content. In addition, you will want to enable notifications so you can be notified when a new video is posted on this channel. Okay again, thank you for watching this. See you next time soon.